had a wedding vendor the other day complain to me that they had to start taking credit cards. So I got to take credit cards now. What kind of credit cards should I use? Should I get a terminal? Should I use PayPal or Square, or should I use Cash App or Venmo? I mean, what am I supposed to do? What's the best deal? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of my little show. I appreciate it. I would really appreciate it if you were nice to my sponsors like Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, and Disc Jockey News, and Perfect Portals and Promo Only. Great service for music. And of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. If you want to know more about my workshops, very few of them I do every year, but I do them. You go to entertainment-experience.com or just reach out to me. If you Google my name, you'll find my cell number. It's not that hard. Anyhow, the credit card question. Usually when people are all freaked out about how to take credit cards, it's because they don't want to. They're stuck in their way. They started a while ago and they only take checks, or they've only always taken checks, or cash, or they work at a bar, right? And the bar pays them like an employee. So now I got to figure out, because nobody has checks anymore. I mean, they do. Some people do, right? If I tell my clients I need them to pay by check, you know what I hear from them is, "Oh, we got a check. Okay, so I guess if I go to the bank, will the bank give me a check? Well, can I get a check from the bank?" Because they don't have a checkbook anymore, right? Cash. These kids don't even carry cash. I got 2 daughters, both under the age of 25, and they don't carry cash at all. They throw their card around all the time, debit and credit. So in the world today, credit cards are necessary. I know many of you know this, but there's still a few people out there like, okay, so I got to do credit cards. Which one's the best? I don't know. Pick one. Really, I've used them all, and they're all just a couple of percentage points. They're usually right down the middle, exactly the same. If you want to save an extra point here or there, go for it, okay? But what's happening when you make it difficult for them to pay you, that's something a couple of friends of mine call friction. You want to reduce the amount of friction for a client to be able to work with you, okay? It wasn't the first time I ever heard it, but if you know Alan Berg, my friend Alan Berg talks about it all the time, okay? He mentions it like, hey, okay, you want to give me money? Let me make it difficult for you to give me money. I only take cash. Oh, okay, well, they may still work with you. But the moment that they go, oh, I got to get cash, that's friction. Oh, I got to get a check, that's friction. But if they got a credit card in their pocket that they can reach over and give you, and you can key it into your phone, or better yet, most of these phones can read those cards and just use them like a terminal. You're getting paid. The moment you get paid, you're getting paid. And you took away all of the worry about how these people are going to pay you. And if, in fact, they sit down and they're really excited about you, we really want to work with you, how do we pay you? You got to pay me by cash. Great, I'll get back to you tomorrow. They meet with 2 other companies, and one company says, how do I pay you? Says, well, give me your card right now, and I'll sign you up. And they go, whoa, one more thing I don't got to worry about. You created friction. They did not. Look, I know it seems like a frustrating thing, but it's not that hard. It's not. And trust me, your bank will help you figure it out. PayPal. They'd love to help you figure it out. Square would love to have you figure it out and show you. Venmo and Cash App, they love it. They want your money going through their services. They're not going to make it as difficult as you are making it by wondering if it's the best idea. This is the way business is doing now. And if you're still asking the question, should I take credit cards? I don't know what to say to you, except I don't care. I really don't. Look, it would be nice if everybody paid me in cash. There's a lot of reasons why you might want to get paid in cash for every event that you do. It's just that it used to be not a big deal for people. Now it is. Now it is a huge friction point. Do you want to continue to create friction for the people that want to give you money or not? It really is that simple. What do you think? Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me that it's never been a problem for you. Good for you. I think you're amazing. But I went through this. And when I got done going through it, I just went, oh, why did I do this to myself? It ain't that big a deal. Do me a favor, tell people about the show. Like, subscribe, share. Oh my gosh, share. I'll see you next week. This is Bill, and this is Creative License.